Extracoat21 an Egyptian shareholding company with more than 30 years experience in the field of aluminium. Extracoat is a success partner to many projects in the field of real estate and the industrial field. Moreover, Extracoat exports to a significant number of countries in the Middle East and Africa, until we became a trademark desirable by all the pioneers of the field. Extracoat is founded using the latest technology and the most advanced production lines on almost 40,000 square meters, so we can fulfill our expansion plans in the near future. Our daily production capacity is 70 tons from extruded and painted aluminium profiles, which enables us to provide all the needs for our target markets. The aluminium profiles extrusion starts by loading the aluminium log on the log table. Then it gets transferred to log heating oven using a washer-driven system. The first step is stripping the log from the outer layer that contains impurities. Due to the continuous log casting process using 12 steel brushes to obtain the highest purity of the aluminium and a product free of surface defects. The aluminium log is then heated gradually to the desired temperature, which is in between the range of 420 to 480 degrees Celsius, and that should be achieved within 30 minutes maximum. On the other hand, the die used to shape the profile as per customer's drawing is being heated in a cell system oven to maintain the temperature homogeneity in every inch of the die. Usually, the dies are heated to a temperature between 420 to 450 degrees Celsius. The log is the cut-to-length hot cutting saw, and this shorter length log is what we call billet. After the billet is cut, it moves automatically using a series of hydraulic pistons and transfer rollers to the acetylene burner to form a layer of oxide on the billet end, that to prevent any sticking with the ram and the dummy bar. The billet is then transferred automatically by a robot we call billet loader to the proper position to be then inserted inside the container. Then the main ram pushes the billet through the die at the desired pressures to not exceed 280 bar to form the desired shapes. The extrude then exits the press after being formed inside the die. The temperature is monitored automatically by the use of a pyrometer to maintain the temperature range between 505 to 550 degrees Celsius at the moment that extrude exits the press. Then the product undergoes quenching by water and/or air to drop the temperature to a value below 270 degrees Celsius within 2 minutes from the moment it exits the press. And that is to achieve the highest levels of hardness at the end of the production process. When the first billet is being extruded, the operator manually inserts the front piece of the extrusion to Polo 1, and then it starts the full automatic process, and only has to monitor the motion of all three moving parts, the ram, Polo 1 and Polo 2, and that is to ensure that all the moving parts are working faultlessly. The length of the extrude can vary starting from 7 meters up to 54 meters long. The extrude is then cut and moved to the cooling tables for them to be cooled down to a temperature of 70 degrees Celsius or less. After achieving the desired temperatures after cooling, the extrude is then transferred automatically to the stretcher table, and then it gets straightened, then stretched to the desired length. The extrudate then gets transferred automatically to the final cutting station to be cut to the desired length, that is between 11 to 12 meters, depending on the customer's request. Then the auto-stacker robot proceeds to stack the profiles in the design baskets. The baskets then are moved to the inside of the aging oven automatically, and then gets heated and soaked to a temperature between 180 to 210 degrees Celsius for 2 to 6 hours, and that is as per customer's request. The baskets then exit the oven automatically. The profiles are heat treated to achieve hardness levels between 9 to 14 Websters, and that is the range 45 and 56 heat treatment. The quality check and control is done at different stages during the production process. The first billet is inspected to ensure the product quality in terms of surface and dimension.
دخلت لحد جوه هنا تديك عزم اكتر تديك عزم اكتر بالظبط عشان المشكله اللي بتحصل عشان تيجي من هنا تخش من هنا كده تربطه بتثبته مسمار ده من هنا كده تمام. الفكره بقى ان تضافر الوكسكس بتاع القطاع
سؤال قبل ما نعدي المرحله دي، القطاع ده في منه سنجل في منه دبل؟
في كونفرتور بتركبه هنا هنا خلاص، بس هو يعني اساسا هو بيبقى دبل
وعشان كده بعمل له التراك. كام دي 24 مللي؟
لا اكتر تاخد لحد حضرتك، بس انا هاخد لك ممكن نبص على هناك
ممكن تعمل الفراغ احسن ما تلاقي كده 6 و6 وفراغ 9 و12
بالظبط. انا عامله عشان بس عاوز بركز
12 دول يمنع اكتر.
تمام.
بصراحه اقول لك على حاجه،
عشان الازاز بنستخدمه. لا انت اللي حطيت هنا فانا لازم. لا انا عندي هنا طريقه السيشن نفسها
الشغلانات دي تعمل لك مقبض الثلاث اخرام بس مقبض اخرام. ايوه بتاعت الجمله دي بتجيب لك التنظيف من تحت لو انت عايز تعمل فتحه المطر. بتجيبها لك تظبط ديت تعمل لك فتحه المطر بشكل متساوي طبعا متناسق.
برضه في المصرف الواد بقى بيبقى فين مكتوب
ايه الدربين ده يا فندم؟
الدربين ده عباره عن نوع متين ليه؟
متين؟ حضرتك تقصد الدربين.
ايوه هو الدربين بتاع الاتحاد الموجود اللي عامل ازاي؟
موجود يا فندم. انا ما اشتغلتش غير في الاتحاد الموجود.
طب اللي بعد ممكن نقول بسرعه يعني عشان تتعامل الرزقات بجد لازم عايز حاجه تستاهل.
واللي تحت كده
فوق بدون موتور بدون وحدة رفع بدون أي حاجة خالص. هنا اقفل تسليك